In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Peacock gift card. Whether you're new to Peacock or a returning user, using a gift card is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, make sure it's up to date. This ensures that you have the best experience and avoid any unnecessary glitches. Once your browser is open, type in the web address peacocktv.com/gift, press enter, and you'll be directed to the Peacock Gift Card redemption page. Now, if you already have a Peacock account, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. If you're new to Peacock, you'll want to create an account. This process is simple and quick. Just follow the prompts to enter your necessary details like your email and password. Creating an account not only allows you to redeem your gift card, but also lets you customize your viewing preferences. With that ready, let's move on to the next step. On the gift card redemption page, you will see a field to enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code found on your gift card. Double check for any typing errors, as this is crucial for redeeming your gift card successfully. Once you're sure everything is correct, click on the button labeled Redeem or Apply. This step is essential because it activates your gift card, allowing you to use it for your subscription. Next up, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. Peacock offers two main plans, Premium and Premium Plus. Premium gives you access to a wide range of content with minimal ads, while Premium Plus offers an ad-free experience. Consider your viewing habits and decide which plan best suits your needs. After selecting your plan, the next step is to confirm your subscription activation. This is a crucial step because it ensures that your Peacock account is set up to receive the benefits of the gift card. Once confirmed, you will see a message indicating that your subscription is active. This confirmation reassures you that everything is set and you can start enjoying your content. It's important to note that the gift card must be redeemed before you can use it to pay for your subscription. The balance on your gift card will be used to cover the cost of the Premium or Premium Plus plan each month until the credit runs out. This means you can continue watching your favorite shows and movies without interruption until the gift card balance is exhausted. Remember, the simple process is go to the Peacock gift page, enter your gift card code, choose your plan, start your subscription, and enjoy watching until the credit ends. Following these steps ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy Peacock with your gift card. If you follow these instructions, you can make the most of your Peacock viewing experience. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.